Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to delete all your browsing history on Google Chrome. Whether you want to clear out old data for privacy reasons or just to tidy up your browser, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your tabs and bookmarks. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings for your Chrome experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security. This section is crucial as it contains all the options related to your browsing data. Now, click on Delete Browsing Data. A new window will pop up, giving you options on what data you want to remove. In this window, make sure to choose Browsing History. You can also select other types of data if you wish, but for now, we're focusing on clearing just the browsing history. After selecting Browsing History, look for the button that says Delete Data. Click on it, and just like that, all your browsing history will be removed from Chrome. Remember, this action will also clear your history across any devices where you are signed into Chrome with Sync enabled. So if you use Chrome on multiple devices, they will all reflect this change. To summarize, 1. Open Chrome. 2. Click on the three dots at the top right. 3. Go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Choose Browsing History. Click Delete Data. And there you have it. Your browsing history is now cleared from Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Chrome effectively.